This is the final video to fix Unarc DLL return an error code in Windows 10 and 11. Are you also facing this issue where a game or application fails to install and shows this exact error? I was also facing the same problem, and it was really frustrating. Every time I tried to install, it would stop midway and show the error, and I couldn't get the program to work. I searched online and saw many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them were too complicated. They talked about replacing system files, editing registry entries, or running long commands, which is confusing and risky if you're not experienced. After experimenting myself, I finally discovered a secret, simple trick that actually works. Using this trick, I was able to fix the Unarc.dll error and install my applications without any issues. You don't need to be a tech expert, and it works every time without causing new problems. Now installations run smoothly, and I can use my apps and games without interruptions. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I did it, comment down below. Follow Rexish because this trick really helped me fix Unarc.dll return an error code, and it can help you too.